Hello and welcome to OLK 12's Teacher Training Video Part 2. My name is Janet Zayed and I'll be your trainer for the next few minutes. So we're logged in as teachers, once again, at my workspace. We're going to work in the same class we did last time, and that's physics. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that tab. And what we're going to work on today is a tool called modules. So I'm going to go ahead and click on modules. Modules are actually lectures. They are lectures that you can add on a daily basis, a weekly basis, and you can also organize them. So I'm going to go ahead and add a new module. My module title is going to be Physics Lecture 1. And we'll give a very brief overview, summary. This lecture covers the basics of light and color. You can also add in some keywords for the entire lecture. Maybe color, electricity, reflection, and however many keywords you want to add. Motion, etc. So now we're going to scroll down. You can see you can have a start date when it will show up. So once again, once you're well organized into the next year, you could actually have your whole year planned out. So I'm going to put this for release today, and I want it to show up for, we'll say, till the end of the month. And that's totally up to you. At the bottom, then you just click on the Add button. And now, there's your module that you've created. Now you want to go ahead and add your content sections. So my first section I'm going to call is going to be color. And you could put some instructions that you wanted for your students. Please read and respond in forum if you wanted to have a discussion. And then scroll down, and it's going to be a text, and it's going to also have visual content. And you can compose it right here, or if you have it saved to a pen drive or on your hard drive, you can simply upload or link to a file. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to choose a file. And this was color. So we're going to choose that. And there it is right there. And you just want to hit the continue button. And we're going to go ahead and add that file. So you've successfully added color. One of the nice things you can do here is you can choose a view. And this is viewing the student side. So this is how the student will see it. Physics Lecture 1, and then the first module within that is color. We'll go back to the teacher view, and here's the teacher's view. We can go ahead and add more content. So we're going to select physics, and then we're going to continue to add to this one lecture. So we'll do one more section. We'll call that electricity. And instructions, let's see, we'll do please read and respond. And again, this is going to be textual and visual. I have my file saved on my hard drive, so I'm going to upload. I'm going to select my file. I'm going to choose my file. And there it is, electricity. Choose. And then we're going to choose the continue button. There it is. And we're going to go ahead and add that. And there we go, everything has been successfully added. Now what I wanted to do also, that finishes the teaching side of it, I'm going to go ahead and log out and I'm going to log in as a student. This way here you will be able to see all of the things that we had done on the last video and also with the modules, how the student can view it. So this is the student's workspace. I'm going to go ahead and click on physics because that's the class that the student is working in. Here's all of the recent announcements that we posted. You can see the calendar with the exam schedule. If you want to scroll ahead, let's see on the 16th, what's happening on the 16th. There it is, there's an exam. The student can actually click on that exam and that'll be any material that you've put in. Oh, it's on chapters 1 through 3. Okay. The student can obviously check on their syllabus. It's right here. Their schedule, any announcements, they all show up on the home page. Let's go over to assignments. Oh, there's assignment 3. It's not started yet. Here's the information that you uploaded so that the student would know what questions they need to answer or what they need to do. So you can simply, the student would open that up and answer the questions accordingly, whatever paper you had put on. And then they are going to upload as an attachment, because that's how you would like it, as an attachment. So the student would simply click on Add Attachment and add their work. And here's the honor pledge. I have neither given nor received aid on this assignment. So the student would simply check that, add their attachment. So they're going to choose a file. And we're going to continue. There's the student submission, and we're going to go ahead and submit that as a student. You have successfully submitted your work. Okay. Now we'll move on to the tests and quizzes. Oh, there's a assessment currently available. We'll click on Physics 3. We're going to go ahead, we're going to begin the assessment. Who was the first president? We will choose Washington, and then we're going to go ahead and submit that for grading. And now that's been done. And you have the choice here of giving immediate feedback or having students wait and receive their grades inside in your classroom. And here's the answer key. So in this case, the student received immediate feedback. The last thing I want to go over to is the modules that we just uploaded. Here's the student view of the module. They're going to go ahead and read over. This lecture covers the basics of light. And we're going to go and look at what's been uploaded for the color. And here is the lecture notes that you've created and put online for the student. Everything is right there. And that concludes our session for this time, and I look forward to working with you more in the future.